channel, this is Titi and today we are preparing the main dish I name Salmon Chirashi. Are you ready? For this delicious dish we will need 1 salmon steak, not to substitute with smoked salmon, which is higher in sodium and salt, and basically the dish will be too salty. Believe me, I tried. So do not replicate this dish with smoked salmon. Only use fresh salmon steak. Then we will need 1 tablespoon of sweet soja, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 1/2 cup of rice. Oh, and of course, let's not forget our lemon! Here we need half of it. So this dish is basically for 1 person. Enjoy. If you have multiple people, then multiply everything by the number of people you're inviting. But I am alone. And since the salmon is not cooked, I do not share this with my daughter. So yeah, I'm the only one who will eat it now. Let's get started! But before, please do push a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more cooking videos, and turn on the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. We've got some newcomers, so I'm so pleased and grateful to have you, so we can grow our small family into a huge one. Let's get started, because I am hungry. Let's get started. I'm so good with my fingers. Cut the fresh salmon steak into cubes. Well, just do your best and cut it in tiny pieces. The rice is ready now. Punaise, oh mon Dieu. Once the rice cooked, remove the excess water thanks to a colander. Check it to make sure to remove the water. Place cut salmon into a recipient. Then add 1 tablespoon of sweet soja. As you can see, the type of soja sauce that you have is mentioned on the packaging. Here we have sweet soja sauce. Make sure not to choose the regular soja sauce, which is way more salty. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds into the recipient. Last ingredient of the sauce, the yellow lemon. Cut it in half. Press 1/2 and add it to the recipient. Mix until the salmon is nearly equally covered by soja sauce and sesame seeds. It smells so good. Let us leave it as such for 5 minutes. Let it marinate for at least 5 minutes. Then, since the salmon is raw, please keep it in a cold area. Right now, it's cold enough outside, so I'm just leaving it there to hang out. The rice might be like a block right now, so you need to break it into tiny pieces. Finally comes the time of the dish preparation. Spread the rice in a plate. Should I show you what you will have in 2 videos? In the meantime, because we are waiting for it to be ready, right? We are waiting for it to be marinated, so let me show you. I cooked it twice. So the first time I did a lot more red fruit because I really like it, but it was not as crusty as it could be. So I decided to show you a second way of doing it, which is basically the same way except that you place less red fruit on top of the dough. And that's it, I did it today. It's still hot. It was in the oven just before I started filming the chirashi. Can you see? You can see the top much better than it was when I placed a lot of red fruit because it's a red fruit crumble, by the way. I just realized I didn't even mention the name of the recipe. So what happens is I place the red fruit as a first layer and then I place the dough and I add more red fruit, whatever. So you will see more in details. In 2 videos, what happens is that the red fruit go up and thus if you put too many fruit on top, then everything is red and you don't have as much crust. For this crust lovers, this one is for you. Okay, so I should probably take the chirashi out from the window or back in from the window, from the balcony. Oh, and I still need to take pictures of it. I think I did take a picture of it, but I need one for the thumbnail, so I will try to take another picture quickly, and then I will take Chinchi from daycare. Finally add the salmon and its juice on top of the rice. That's me trying to make it look pretty for the thumbnail. Oh shit. If you wish to add a decoration, you can slice one piece from the other half of the lemon and use it to decorate the top. Enjoy et bon appétit! I hope it will taste delicious because I just ate the crumble. I just ate nearly half of it, so... I was afraid that with the red fruit I would have my taste off, but it's good. So much less salty than the last time when I used smoked salmon, but what did I do? Look at this sun! I like my skin like this. Am I even allowed to use chips? It's very westerny of me. But I'm going to have a lot of pleasure eating these chips with the chirashi. Oh dear, what am I doing? I don't know why. I won't try now. Chips. Rice goes so well with the salmon. If I stay here, I have a light. That's so good. I wanted to add the flowers as a decoration, but I can't move as freely as I would like to. Let's move them closer to you. So good, you can't even imagine how good this is. Well, this is called tasting, so let's see what we feel. Yeah, it's like the salmon is on a bed of rice. Okay. Fish is on a bed of rice. I also like the fact that I didn't use much sesame seeds. I like the fact that we use sweet soja because it compensates the salt of the salmon. It's not salty, yeah. Barely salty, but still. So tasty. The taste is soft too. Yeah, I know I still haven't finished because you know I did prepare a lot, right? Oh, the sun is going away. We need to call him back. No, he's here now. He looks like a giraffe, and I will catch his last trails. I shouldn't say that, but Chirashi with chips. Even better. They're so good. Oh mon dieu. Ok Google. Ok Google.
Salut, ça va?
Mets de la musique, s'il te plaît.
Ok, de la musique sur YouTube Music. C'est parti.
See you when I will finish. Hi. Look at this here.